Hey, are you new to the world of drumming? Are you a beginner? Have you ever wanted to learn how to play drums and just needed someone to break it down for you very basically and simply? I have your solution. Let's get started. Hey YouTube, welcome back for lesson 2 in our series of how to play drum set for beginners. In lesson 1, as you recall, we start off with just a kick drum. Here in lesson 2, we're going to add the snare drum. For those of you that were not with us in lesson 1 or don't remember the pattern from lesson 1, I'll play it for you now. Just with the kick alone, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, toward the end of lesson 2, we added hand claps for the snare drum on 2 and 4. Remember? All right. So just quick review. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So instead of clapping this time, we're actually going to pick up our sticks and we're actually going to play the snare drum on the 2 and the 4 instead of clapping our hands. We're going to use a match grip on our sticks. We just pick up the sticks in a match grip. They should form somewhat of a V in the center of your snare drum. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Good. Hey, you're well on your way. We've added the kick and the snare, and you've learned how to play this beat with now 2 drums in less than 5 minutes.